Hi everyone, Chris from Bike Hispania. Today we've got a big box of bits from Greenland MX. Should we open it and see what we've got? Lots of packaging. Okay. There we have Acerbis or Acerbis, depending on your pronunciation. Handguards for the CRF. On the red ones. As you can see through there, we get them fitted. And there we have an Acerbis trash plate as well. Comes to the plastic one, nice and thick, hopefully it'll do the job. A couple of bits to keep the CRF safe. Well, thanks to Greenland MX, excellent job, nice delivery. Ordered it last week, it's come this week, brilliant. If you want to see an installation video, just leave a comment and we'll see what we can organise. Cheers folks, bye.